What's up, YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. Got another flashlight review. This is a new company called Nitefox. They sent me this flashlight for review, so let's get down to it. The model is the UT20, has an outdoor setting and a tactical setting. Alright. If you want to pause this, you can. Read that. Alright. A high mode is 1080 lumens for 1 hour. Medium is 300 lumens for 6 hours. Low is 60 lumens for 28 hours. Moon is 1 lumen for 480 hours. And the strobe is the high setting. Alright, the beam distance is 350 meters. The peak beam intensity is 25,000 candela. Impact resistance to 1.5 meters and waterproof to IPX8 rating. It is 2 meters. You could submerge the light underwater. It is 6 feet. Oh, look at the warranty. Nitefox products provided 2 years free warranty after purchase. Products defects, failure, or quality program during normal use during this period will get free repair. One-way shipping cost or... Oh, my light's almost fallen. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. Alright. Program during normal blah blah. You already read that. One-way shipping costs will be covered. That is cool. Thanks for your purchase, Nitefox quality products. Any questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us. There's their address, telephone number, website down there. I'm gonna put it in the description anyways. This is the holster. Yep. Comes with 2 O-rings and an extra rubber boot for the tail clicky. This is the holster. You can put it on a carabiner. Has that. And that, so you can have either or to go over your belt. It's the holster. It's good quality. It ain't cheap. So, but just so you know, this is a low budget light. It comes with a micro USB cable. That's garbage. That's the user interface instructions. And here's the light. Just so you know, comes with a cigar grip, but it was on there. I put it on there to save some time. Alright, our side switches, there is a light. Alright, so when you turn it on, it's green because you got a good battery. When the battery is bad, it goes to red. That's when you need to charge it. Has the rubber boot right there. That's where you charge it at. You got the heat sink. Terra stands fine. Alright. I love that it comes with a cigar grip. That's the Terra clicky. Mine came with a battery, but if you want the light a little cheaper, that's the little clear thing that goes right here, so when they ship it, it doesn't mess with the battery or whatever. Doesn't make a connection. It does come lubed. That's how that works. Battery is 2600 milliamp hours. It's rechargeable. 3.7. I heard it's a good battery, so it's not cheap. Battery is pretty hefty. How you could tell from my trick how a battery is cheap is by the weight of it. So that's that. Alright, you know what? Let's check out how it looks charged when you charge it. Pretty long cable. Cable don't seem cheap. This is my little mini charging thing. So see how the light looks when you charge it. The other way. See that? It's blinking. Oh, there you go. Had to turn it on. I don't know. Alright. It has an AR coating with a smooth reflector. It's an XML2 emitter. It's kind of hard to see because the light's beaming on it. But remember, it's a low budget light. So I guess when it's charged, it should go to green. That's that. Let's put that boot back on and check out the user interface. Oh. I'm just making sure that's on because I want to do a water test. Alright, let's do a water test. Hopefully it's on tight. Alright. So there's that. Alright, let's be quick. Only got a couple more minutes. I'm trying to do this quick because it's recorded in 4K. So I want to show you the user interface and then we're going outside. Alright, just dried the light off. Alright, so the user interface. Turn it on from the terror clicky and you just go through the modes. Just by single clicks. To get the strobe, you hold the button down. Alright. To get to tactical mode, hold the button down again. And once it blinks like that, you're in tactical. So now, you change the modes from this, from the tail clicky. Alright, so it goes from high, medium, strobe. If not strobe, medium, high, strobe, medium, high. Or, I don't know how it goes. But you see the green light? That means you got a good battery. Once it's red, that's when you gotta charge it. Alright. Alright. Oh, just so you know, you could put lanyards here. And there's a lanyard you could put through the cigar grip. Did I miss anything? Got heat sink. And there's a nice knurling on it. Crippy. AR coating, if I already said that. Alright, so let's take this bad boy outside, see how it looks. Guys, I forgot to mention something, or show you guys this part. Forgot to show you the head part. It seems like it's brass. I did show you the tail clicky portion, but remember this is low budget, but seems very good quality for a low budget light. But I just wanted to show you this. Sorry about that, I forgot to show you it. Here you go, going outside for the second time. I'll be back. Hey guys, I had to drive somewhere because you see all the lights. I want to go somewhere pitch black to get this footage. So I'll be there in a minute or two. Damn, it's foggy. Man, hit that bump. But yeah, I'll be there in a second. Can't be driving with a camera. Alright guys, I'm pulling in my location where I'm gonna do this footage at. It's pretty creepy over here. Oh, bump. Check this out. It's creepy as hell. Oh, it's for Nitefox. Can't see nothing over here. It's a good place for a flashlight review. What the hell? Hold on, I need some. Oh, my high beams are on. Alright, I'm gonna stop this, park, so we can get some footage. Alright. This is the Nitefox UT20, I believe. There's the beam footage. Hold on one second. Can't see low. See how black it is? It is very creepy over here. This is low. Moonlight, you couldn't see nothing. That's medium. It's very foggy and rainy out tonight. Wow. I think I should have did this on a non-foggy day. I think that's turbo. But look at that, it looks good. Holy crap, it's foggy. This is turbo mode. Hold on, let me double check. And now it's in moonlight. That's low. You could still see pretty good in low. Medium. Too bad it's foggy though. I know it would have beamed out there even farther. Here's turbo. Nitefox, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity, and I'm going to check out some more of your products. I seen another one. I'm going to look into that one. Alright people, I'm going to put a link to get this Nitefox light. So until next time, it's pretty cold and rainy, and hold on, let me walk over here real quick. It's the one, no one jumping in my car. Holy crap, it's creepy. Alright, again, thank you. Nitefox, I'm getting out of here. It's very cold. So, again, thank you very much for the opportunity to review this product. And I hope you liked the video. And to all that seen this video, hope you like it. Until next time, peace.